Awareness Day, a day that brings several people together to help put an end to thousands of deaths due to fentanyl.
Today, we meet a woman that would have been a victim to the drug. Wink News anchor Annette Montgomery joins us in studio. Annette, how often is law enforcement seeing fentanyl?
Well, Russ and Amanda, take a look. Lee County Sheriff's Office told me in 2020 they seized nearly 2,000 grams of fentanyl. In 2023, that number jumped to over 8,000. Now, recovery leaders in Collier County told me they're also seeing a significant increase in fentanyl locally. It's even popping up in schools. Now, today on National Fentanyl Awareness Day, I spoke with a woman who says she almost lost her life to the substance 11 times, but there is hope you can make it out, and she's proof of it.
I was heavily into the fentanyl. I've survived 11 overdoses, mostly here in Naples.
Just one glance at this mugshot.
My father died when I was 15, 5 days before Christmas, and I think that's really like what spiraled my addiction.
Hard to believe it's the same Lindsay Witten sitting here today.
But I still hear about people that I was using with dying or going to prison.
Witten lost her boyfriend to fentanyl and several friends. Those deaths aren't rare occurrences. In just 2023 alone, over 70,000 Americans fatally overdosed on fentanyl.
It's more people than died in the Vietnam War in a single year die from fentanyl overdose. Many times it's accidental. People don't know they're ingesting or consuming fentanyl because it's in a pill or another substance.
Steve Bruder is the CEO of St. Matthew's House, a local resource for those struggling with addiction. Nancy Dauphiné is a licensed mental health counselor and chief operating officer of another resource, the one that helped save Witten, the David Lawrence Behavioral Center.
Recovery is real. It does happen every day. And we want that message of hope to be out there as more and more individuals are succumbing in this epidemic.
Nothing for me is worth using over today. To give up what I've worked so hard for, and that's like the thing that you have to put the work in. If you don't work on yourself and heal, it's just putting a Band-Aid over a bullet hole. And I've experienced that, so, and I'm still working on healing.
And Lindsay has been clean and sober for 12 years. Now, she told me she really wants to show others that you can recover. Since she's been out, she's worked for St. Matthew's House and gives back to the recovery community as much as she can. Now, St. Matthew's House and the David Lawrence Center are two local resources that help Lindsay turn her life around. And they're here for anyone else who may be struggling with addiction today. Back to you.